steps that have been taken by the district administration. One, with regards to the fact that an SIT has already been formed. Part of the SIT is the local police, the district magistrate, and a few others who would be part of the SIT. They would be submitting a preliminary report to the Chief Minister in the next 24 hours is what we are picking up. So far, at least 2 arrests that have already taken place, the owner and the manager. That's the latest now coming in from Rajkot. Priyanka, with regards to the formation of the SIT, the composition of the SIT, they are largely mandated with the fact that whether at all there have been any lapses or not. But even before the report is submitted, clearly some lapses have been pointed out. Are you picking up more details with regards to who these owners are? Are they part of a business group?
Well, yes, we are getting some details of Yuvraj Singh, who is the owner of the mall, in fact, the gaming zone as well. In fact, the manager of the mall, of the gaming zone, Nitin Jain, has also been detained by the Rajkot police, is what we've been given to understand. They are, in fact, drilling both the owner and the manager to understand what essentially transpired when the fire had broken out as well. And of course, we will be getting some more details of the other owners as well, because there were several partners who had been involved in this entire project of the mall, is what we're being told. But the decision makers, in fact, the Yuvraj Singh Solanki and Nitin Jain, the manager of the gaming zone, have been detained and they are being questioned by the Rajkot police as we speak. Apart from that, we can expect some more detentions that will take place, some more arrests as well, because these
आग में फंस गए और 25 से ज्यादा लोग की मौत हुई है। मैं पिछले कई सालों से राजकोट में सार्वजनिक जीवन में हूं, लेकिन ये सबसे बड़ी आग मुझे लगती है और काफी लोग उसमें फंस गए। तो ये भी हमारे लिए आश्चर्य की बात है और दुख की बात भी है। अभी पहला काम तो बताया है वहां कि सबको निकाले और रेस्क्यू वर्क होना चाहिए, और बाद में क्यों लगी, कौन दोषित है, उसकी जांच भी होनी चाहिए और उनको सजा भी मिलनी चाहिए। फिर से मैं इस दुर्घटना के लिए दुख व्यक्त करता हूं और उसमें जो लोग की मृत्यु हुई और उन सब के लिए मैं अपनी संवेदना प्रकट कर रहा हूं, और उनके परिवारजन को भी मैं उनको ईश्वर शक्ति दे और उनके लिए भी मैं अपनी संवेदना प्रकट कर रहा हूं।
जी सर,
હું અત્યારે પંજાબ છું, પરંતુ સાંજના સતત રાજકોટના સંપર્કમાં છું। જાણીને ખૂબ દુઃખ થયું છે કે ગેમ જોગમાં જે આ ભીષણ આગ લાગી